I don't know what is tibia, what is shin. Like, those words are new to me. Maybe I know them in Russian, but I gotta translate it, you know?
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shetty. And we are here today at the Silver Lake Reservoir, where I'm going to ask some of these dog walkers and joggers a thing or two about health. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Kyle. I'm from Maine.
I'm Malaysia. I'm from Santa Barbara.
My name's Jeremy. I'm originally from Nashville, Tennessee. I live here in Los Angeles.
My name is Luba, and I'm from Belarus.
Nashville guy. Okay. Now, we know you're a Dodger fan, but are you a... Here we go, we got the dog going. Are you a... Belarus, I've heard of it. Which country is it in?
It's a country. It's in the center of Europe.
You see now I'm the one looking stupid. I look stupid. True or false? Peristalsis means your lower body has gone numb.
I don't even know this word, to be honest.
Well, I would say true, only because peristalsis kind of sounds like paralyzed. So I would think like that has something to do with that. So
Yeah, I trust you.
True.
True.
True?
It's false, man.
I was thinking paralysis, but...
It's actually false. Peristalsis. I know what you mean. Paralyzed, it sounds just like it. Peristalsis is actually the rhythmic contraction of your intestines that allows food to move through them. And earthworms actually use the same kind of contraction to move. Number 2, what's another name for the tibia? Is it A, funny bone, B, forearm, or C, shin?
I don't know what is tibia, what is shin. Like, those words are new to me. Maybe I know them in Russian, but I gotta translate it, you know?
Forearm?
You know what? I'm going to go with funny bone. Maybe that was my first answer.
Shin.
Bang, that's correct. The tibia is the front bone in your calves, and the word shin actually comes from a German word meaning thin plate. It's very easy to injure the shin in many sports, which is why you have things like shin guards to protect it. Less than 1% of people have this blood type. Is it AB negative, AB positive, or O negative?
I know this one. It's O negative.
O negative.
O negative.
It's AB negative. O negative is the universal blood donor. I know exactly. It's a trick question. It's actually AB negative. I know because O negative is 5% of people have O negative. 1% have AB negative.
Hi, I'm Kyle. I just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
Hi, my name is Luba Rodina. I'm from Belarus, and I just failed the Street Smart test all the way.
Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.